Demo, we'll have a look at how Flexera helps customers manage their Salesforce subscriptions by providing further insights into Salesforce consumption in an alternate reporting solution, in this case Power BI. So Flexera have introduced Power BI reporting for SaaS management to help customers with the detailed reporting that's not available in our UI. Most customers already have a BI solution and often take data from the Flexera One APIs into that tool and then do some sort of additional manipulation of the data. Now with the Power BI SaaS reporting that Flexera offers, a lot of this detailed analysis is already done. Customers can download the Power BI template file from the Flexera community. Information on this reporting utility is shown in the knowledge article, and customers can review this, and at the bottom of the page, a download link is present. The template can be downloaded and opened in Power BI, and when this is done, the user will be prompted to add their access token, specify their environment, and add the Flexera One org ID, and then all of the Salesforce app IDs separated by a semicolon into the UI. This is easily done, and after this, Power BI will start pulling data from the Flexera One APIs and populating the Power BI template. So we'll pause for a moment here and show how simple this is to accomplish. Once the data is populated, we'll see some very useful insights into Salesforce. The template has a number of tabs showing, for example, the optimization potential. This is a really interesting view. Here we can slice and dice the data via the product, the license, or the license type, and the dashboard itself is interactive. So by clicking on one of the bar charts, the data in the different other fields will populate and update accordingly. Different tabs include a percentage-based view of the organizational use of Salesforce, the same view from a cost perspective, the product balance and allocation, the cost of inactive products, a view of Salesforce users and licenses and activities, and then the product and license balance and other relevant metrics. Possibly the most interesting view of all of these views is really the optimization potential, where customers can really see what can be saved in applying their Salesforce entitlements in the optimal manner. So overall, the value of the reporting is that Flexera presents a free downloadable reporting capability that provides deep insights into the use of Salesforce in their environments. With this knowledge, customers are placed in an informed position to make the relevant changes and be ready for renewals and contract negotiations with Salesforce.